So, as we have learned about many sensor modules and many hardware devices, so now we are going to learn about line sensor or tracker sensor. So, a line following sensor is a sensor that helps the robot detect and follow a line, usually black line on a white surface. So, think of a robot like a toy car that you want to stay on the road. So, like this. So, this is a toy car. This wants to stay on the road, then the light sensor is the eyes of this robot car. So it keeps asking, am I on black line or on a white floor? And it tells the robot which way to turn. So now the question is, how does it work? Inside this, light sensor, there are two main parts. That is IR LED, that is infrared LED, which is this. So there are five LEDs connected in this. You can also have two LEDs, one LED, or anything as per our uses. So this shines the invisible light onto the ground that human can't see this light. And then IR receiver or photodiode or phototransmitter that receive the reflected infrared light and and it checks how much light comes back. So now, how does it know black or white? So white surface reflects most of the light of the infrared light. The receiver gets lot of light, and the result is will be like I am on white. So the black line absorbs most of the infrared light, very little light comes back. So what it will say is I'm on the black line. So now there are many pins here, that is VCC, ground, and D naught, and IR5, IR4, and IR1 and 2. So now VCC is used to give the power to the module, and ground is used to give the take out the negative currents from the ground. So now here IR1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are used to measure this values. So IR1, IR2, IR5, and IR6, IR5. So these IR sensors will be reading the values, and it will be passing through this output. So this can be worked like 1D out of the sensor module. So now when we attach it on the robot car, it is attached something like this. So here what happens is the IR sensors will read the values, and the robot car will decide which way to turn. If there is a white light on the right side, then it will be turning towards right, and if it is on the left, then it will be turning left. So most of the modules have also power indicators on it. So as we can see here, there is a power indicator. So mostly red means power, show red LED is shows the power is on, and green signals the LED that turn on or off when line is detected. So what we can build exactly with this, we can make a line following robot like this, and we can say that we can build a maze solving robot, or warehouse delivery robot, or automatic guided vehicle, that is AGV. So example, imagine a robot car is moving on the black line, and the sensor detects the black line. If the robot moves the left and the sensor sees the white, the Arduino tells the motor to turn right. If it moves right, then sees the white light, then turn left. This keeps the robot following the line. So now the easy way to remember is, so IR LEDs are shines invisible light, and receivers will detect the reflected light, and VCC and ground are power pins. So these IR pins, that is, we can say the D naught pins, that is used to send and receive the data to the Arduino or any microcontroller which we are using. So, in one sentence, we can say that a line following sensor shines the invisible infrared light onto the ground, detects whether it is coming over a black line or a white surface, and it tells the Arduino or ESP, so the robot can stay on the path. So this is how the line sensor will be working. So now we have learned about line sensor. So that's it for now. See you in the next video, robot builders.